Bonjour, c'est Claire, French in the Midlands. Today's video is about how to translate to meet up in French or to meet someone. There's two verbs you can use. Well, there's actually a few more, but those two are really confusing, so I want to home in on them in this video. Now, before we go any further, I just want to remind you that you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's a short ebook that's packed with tips and tricks on how to sound like a native French speaker. Now, the first one people think about when they're here to meet up is rencontrer. But it's not quite right, because rencontrer is to meet someone unexpectedly or to meet someone for the first time. So it's not really to meet up. Take those examples. Tu ne devineras jamais qui j'ai rencontré au parc. You'll never guess who I bumped into at the park. So rencontrer has that meaning of to bump into someone. On a rencontré le nouveau directeur hier. We met the new manager yesterday. So that obviously is for the first time. So those two, to bump into and to meet for the first time, is rencontrer. Retrouver is the one you want to use when you want to say to meet up with someone. And it's also used to meet someone again after a long time. Let me show you. Martin a retrouvé son ami d'enfance au supermarché. Martin met his childhood friend again at the supermarket. Or he was reunited with his childhood friend. Je vais retrouver une collègue de travail au café. I'm going to meet up with a work colleague at the cafe. So if you want to talk about your friends, you're going to see your friends. You can use retrouver. You can also use rejoindre. It's a little bit more formal. But in real life, in daily life, we say retrouver a lot. Now be aware that retrouver also has another meaning of to find something or someone that was lost. For instance, j'ai retrouvé mes clés dans le frigidaire. I found my keys in the fridge. Laurent a retrouvé sa mère biologique le mois dernier. Laurent found his biological mother last month. And that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. À bientôt.